Welcome to summer school with Mrs. Hasty. Nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, clean air, rest, and trust all make a healthier you.
We're going on a picnic. Let's choose some healthy food to pack. Which food should we bring? Oh, going on a picnic. Have to pack a lunch. Let's bring some strawberries. Munch, munch, munch. What else could we bring? Going on a picnic. Have to pack a lunch. Let's bring some cauliflower. Munch, munch, munch. What else could we bring?
Broccoli.
Oh, going on a picnic. Have to pack a lunch. Let's bring some broccoli. Munch, munch, munch. What else could we bring?
Carrots.
Going on a picnic. Have to pack a lunch. Let's bring some carrots. Munch, munch, munch. Oh, some grapes. Going on a picnic. Have to pack a lunch. Let's bring some grapes. Munch, munch, munch. Look at all the food that we've packed for our picnic. Doesn't it look good? All these fruits and vegetables are full of nutrition, nutrients, vitamins and minerals that help us grow strong and healthy. And they're yummy too. Yum, yum, don't you know I love broccoli? Yum, yum, don't you know I love broccoli? Green and crunchy and yummy too. Yum, yum, don't you know I love broccoli? Yum, yum, don't you know I love carrots? Yum, yum, don't you know I love carrots? Orange and crunchy and yummy too. Yum, yum, don't you know I love carrots? Yum, yum, don't you know I love strawberries? Yum, yum, don't you know I love strawberries? Yum, yum, don't you know I love strawberries? Red and sweet and yummy too. Yum, yum, don't you know I love strawberries? Yum, yum, don't you know I love pineapple? Yum, yum, don't you know I love pineapple? Yellow and sweet and yummy too. Yum, yum, don't you know I love pineapple? Look at all these beautiful colors of fruits and vegetables. Orange, red, green, white, yellow, more orange, blue, and purple. All these plant pigments or colors are strong fighters that help keep our bodies healthy. These plants are full of phytochemicals. That's a big word, isn't it? Phytochemicals, phyto meaning plant, help our bodies fight diseases. These fruits and vegetables are also full of fiber. Fiber is something that your body can't break down. Silly that something your body can't break down is good for you, but it is. When your body digests fiber, it helps clean your digestive system out. It pulls cholesterol and carcinogens right out of your body. Oh, do you eat your vegetables, your vegetables, your vegetables? Oh, do you eat your vegetables each and every day? Oh, do you eat your carrots, your carrots, your carrots? Oh, do you eat your carrots when they're put on your plate? Oh, do you eat your fruits, your fruits, your fruits? Oh, do you eat your fruits each and every day? High in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but low in calories, These fruits and vegetables make your body strong and your mind strong too. Next time you eat your fruits and vegetables, remember that you're sending little fighters into your body. Did you know that animals need to eat healthy food as well? Let's see how to take care of a chicken.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about this little chicken right here. So I'm Hallie.
I'm Brianna. I'm Caitlin.
This is Hannah.
So this is our little pet chicken, Daisy, and she is a mini bantam Dorking hen. She's a lot smaller than most hens, but she's really cute. We have had Daisy here for 3 years, but in California, where we used to live like almost a year ago, we had other chickens for 5 years.
So how do you care for your chickens? Just make sure you have a coop, which is where they sleep in, and then you just have to have like feeders and waterers. So this is layer pellets, and they're for the hens. You don't give it to chicks, but you give it to hens so that they can lay eggs and stuff, and it gives them all of the nutrition, which we'll talk about later. So it looks just like this. Can you see it? And then this is called Scratch, and Scratch is just like a candy for chickens, and you don't want to give it to them very often because they can get sick, but just a little bit is okay. What are some of your chicken's favorite things to do?
They love to roam and eat.
Yeah, and sleep too. Why is proper nutrition important for chickens? Proper nutrition is important because they can get sick very easily, and also they can get this thing called like sour crop, and their crop is the part where like all their food goes, kind of like their stomach, but it's not. They just like store it there. They have it so they don't get sick, and they're healthy, and it's just good for overall.
So that's the last question. Hope you enjoyed.
Have you ever noticed when you eat a lot of candy or other sugar-filled foods, you kind of get a little achy, maybe a little bit of a headache? We call that a sugar buzz. That's because when sugar goes into your bloodstream, your blood works really hard to process the sugar quickly. And then, as soon as the sugar's gone, you feel hungry again because sugar is quick energy. It burns fast. Let's do a little experiment to show how that works. We're going to use some corn syrup in our 2 cups. Fill each of them about halfway full. There's 1 and 2. Now we're going to pretend that this corn syrup is your bloodstream. And we're going to add some red food coloring so that it looks a little bit more like what we think about as blood. Let's stir them up. Let's pretend that that is our blood. Okay, let's see how quickly our blood can process the sugar, sugary foods, or the flour, starchy foods. I have 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Let's put them in at the same time. Keep watching as they go down. Sugar are small molecules, and they dissolve very quickly into our bloodstream. I see it. It's going down, getting smaller. Flour starchy foods or foods with more fiber take longer for our bloodstream to process. Not all sugar is bad for us. Our bodies need sugar for energy, for making proteins, and for storing. The sugar found in fruits and vegetables, like this apple, are needed for our brain cells and for our red blood cells. The sugars in fruits and vegetables come with fiber and nutrients that help slow the rate of digestion and reduce the negative effects that too much sugar can have on us. The problem with sugar comes in when we add sugar to things. Sugar without fiber and nutrients. We call those free sugars, like this apple juice. This apple juice is 100% apple juice, but it's still free sugars, sugars without fiber and nutrients. Think about it this way. This apple juice has the same amount of sugar as 2 apples. If I were to drink this apple juice, I could still eat an entire meal because this apple juice wouldn't fill me up. But if I were to eat both of these apples, I would feel pretty full already. That's because these apples, even though they have the same amount of sugar as the apple juice, still have the fiber in them that slows that rate of digestion. We want to be careful of eating too many free sugars, added sugars to things. Some ways you can be careful to not get too many added sugars is to look at labels. Food labels list sugar with many different names, so you have to be careful. But a lot of our sauces, our condiments, cereals, granola bars, all have a lot of free sugars. Another way to reduce the amount of free sugars you eat is to make some things homemade. Pasta sauce can have a lot of free sugars in it. Have to watch your labels. So at our house, we make our own pasta sauce, and we don't add any extra sugar. And the third way that you can be careful with your free sugars is to ditch those pre-packaged snacks. Those snacks tend to be very high in sugar. We want to keep our bodies healthy, and sugars, as we saw, dissolve fast and don't give our body much lasting energy. So let's decrease that sugar buzz and make sure we're taking in our sugar with fiber and nutrients. Graham crackers and Kellogg's Corn Flakes. Chances are you've eaten one or both of these before, and maybe you even have one of these in your pantry right now. But do you know the story behind these 2 different foods? Let me tell you about Graham first. Graham crackers are named after Sylvester Graham. Sylvester Graham is known for giving health talks. He talked a lot about how meat, alcohol, and fatty foods aren't good for you. Instead, he promoted people eating fruits and vegetables and whole grains. His followers were called Grahamites, and they especially stayed away from white breads and crackers. Sylvester Graham taught that a lot of beneficial nutrients are lost when trying to make whiter, lighter bread, which is true. Back then, it was a status symbol to have white breads and crackers. Only the poor ate wheat or whole grain breads and crackers. But Sylvester Graham and the Grahamites ate whole wheat as well. They made their bread from unsifted, unbleached, whole wheat berry flour. And the crackers made from this flour were called graham crackers. This modern-day version of graham crackers are quite different than the original version. While Grahamites said that graham crackers tasted quite good, the original version was made with little to no added sweeteners. And this box has 8 grams of sugar a serving. Sylvester Graham wouldn't have been a fan of this modern-day version of graham crackers. Kellogg Corn Flakes is named after the Kellogg brothers. John Harvey Kellogg, the older brother, was a doctor, and he considered himself to be a Grahamite, even though he was born 50 years after Sylvester Graham. The brothers worked together at the Battle Creek Sanitarium in Michigan. It was kind of like a health resort where people came and got water treatments, learned to have proper exercise and proper diets to improve their health. While working on coming up with an alternative to white bread, Will Kellogg, the younger brother, left a batch of boiled wheat out on the kitchen counter, and it went stale. In order to save money, they tried to use it by putting the stale wheat through the dough roller. They were hoping to get a sheet of wheat, but instead it turned into flakes. They served those flakes to their patients the next day, and the patients liked it so much that Will and John ended up coming up with a variety of different corn and rice cereals as well. Unfortunately, the brothers ended up parting ways. Will wanted to add sugar to the cereals, and John Harvey did not. So the Kellogg on the box here is actually Will's name, and the Kellogg Company is Will's Cereal Company. So both Sylvester Graham and the Kellogg brothers understood the health benefits of whole grains. Wheat breads and crackers have fiber and nutrients that are taken out of the white breads and crackers. So next time you have a choice, I hope you choose the wheat. Are you ready to do a craft today? Mm-hmm. For today's craft, you'll need a piece of paper, some markers, scissors, glue, and some magazines. We know we need to eat the rainbow. All our foods need to be many different colors. The more colors, the more nutrients. So let's make a food rainbow. Let's start with red. Can we make a rainbow? Can you get orange next?
Orange.
I was going to do a red one. Can you get orange next? Can you find orange for me?
Right here.
Good. Let's do orange next. Let's make an arch. And do it with me. Okay, here we go. Orange. Okay, now we need yellow.
No.
Yellow. Okay, green. Green. You find some blue.
I think there's no blue.
Okay, and purple.
Purple, purple, purple.
Great job. Okay, now we're going to find some different foods in the magazines that are these different colors. Ooh, what's this food here?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Do you want to cut the strawberries out?
We're gonna eat some of it.
You cut the strawberries out. I'm going to find another one. Oh, yummy. Green asparagus. I'm going to cut this one out.
I'm cut the other one.
Okay.
This one still has.
Can we glue the strawberry on where the red is? Here's a glue stick.
Glue stick. This way?
Mm-hmm.
I glued it.
Good job. Put it on the red. And this one is green, so I'm going to put it by the green. What other colors do we have here?
Yes.
Ooh.
This one. This one.
What is that one?
Huh?
What is it?
It's blueberries.
Blueberries.
Can I glue it?
Yeah, can you put that with the blue?
Blue?
Put it on the blue. Good.
I'll put purple on blue.
Blueberries go on blue. This is an eggplant. I can put this on the purple. What else do we have in here that we've cut out? I found some broccoli.
Broccoli?
Yeah.
Where's broccoli?
Broccoli. That goes on green. Ooh, yummy. What are those?
They go on red.
They go on red. What are they? They red raspberries?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
I like them.
I do too. Here's an orange peach. What's that one? What did you find? Yellow star fruit. Star fruit is yellow, and do you want to put the yellow papaya on? Ooh, do you want to do a pepper?
Yeah.
We like peppers, don't we?
I like peppers too. I miss to eat them.
Oh, that's a pomegranate. Yum. I found some mangoes.
I like mango.
Me too. An orange pepper. Do you want to do that one? I'm going to do some oranges. We had avocado for breakfast. Would you like to do the avocado? Which one are you doing now? What color is it?
It's green.
Cucumbers. Put them by the green. I found some green pears. Do you want to choose one more thing? Do you want to put a blackberry right there?
I wanted to do blackberry.
Stick it right there. Look, we've made a beautiful rainbow. Are these all yummy foods to eat?
Yeah. I like this too.
Thanks for joining me for summer school today. And don't forget to come back again for more learning fun.
Let's have fun learning how to be a healthier you.